We all love our pets. If you're a pet owner, chances are you've thought about what would happen to your furry friend in the event of a fire. In honor of National Pet Safety Day, July 15th, we've decided to do an episode on pet fire safety. We'll go over some of the ways you can keep your pet safe from fire and related hazards in and around the home, as well as steps you can take to help ensure their safety when they're being cared for elsewhere. Welcome to Learn Something New by NFPA Journal. Just as is the case with humans, burn injuries are some of the most severe and complex injuries animals can sustain. Countless web pages and research articles online detail the different ways pets can get burned and how those burns can be treated. Fortunately, NFPA offers a number of tips to help keep your pet safe, both from burns and other injuries, or worse, that can result from exposure to fire, smoke, hot objects, and electrical hazards. Let's go over a few of them here. 1. Keep pets away from open flames and other things that get hot. This could include candles, lamps, space heaters, and stoves and other cooking equipment. After all, pets are curious, and they may try to inspect these things or even just accidentally bump into them. This could not only burn them, but also lead to a fire. NFPA actually estimates that indoor pets and other animals start an average of nearly 800 home fires in the US each year. 2. Keep an eye on pets to make sure they don't chew through electrical cords. Who could forget this classic scene from National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation?
Honey?
And if you do find some wires that look like they've been chewed on by your pet, it's time to replace them and to move them to a location where pets are less likely to come into contact with them. 3. If you live in an area where wildfires are a risk, include your pets in your family's evacuation plan. This could be as simple as packing a small, lightweight kit for each pet that includes food, medicine, and other essentials. NFPA released a video guiding people through preparing their pets for wildfire evacuation, and a link to that will appear at the end of this video. 4. If you have a fireplace, consider establishing a pet-free zone extending about 3 feet from that fireplace. Also, keep in mind that chimney vents that are located outdoors can get extremely hot, and you should keep pets away from those as well. Perhaps the most important tip that NFPA offers, though, is that if you do experience a home fire, don't go back inside for your pet. This can be a difficult message to follow because our pets are so often considered beloved members of the family. If you can lead them out at the same time you make your exit without jeopardizing your ability to get out safely, that's fine. But don't spend any additional time trying to get them out, especially when you may have as little as 2 minutes to escape safely from the time the smoke alarm sounds. Here's Susan McKelvey, a communications manager at NFPA, with more information on what to do in these difficult scenarios.
So what we've seen over the years, anecdotally, a lot of times in news stories, is that when there's a home fire where pets may be in the home, we've seen tragic incidents where someone will go back into the house to save their pet, become trapped inside, only to find out that the animal actually escaped safely. And those are heartbreaking scenarios because had those people stayed outside and maybe even checked with the fire department, they would have stayed safe, but their pets obviously were safe as well. So that's one of the many reasons that we really encourage people, make sure that you make yourself and your household members your priority. If you can get your pet out safely and escort them as you're on your way out, that's fine. But we don't want people squandering precious moments trying to coax a pet out of the home that's unwilling, or possibly if you're searching, if the pet can't be found, you're losing precious time to save yourself. So again, it's a tough message to hear sometimes, but we really want people getting out of their homes as quickly and safely as possible. And hopefully, if you can't find your pet, have faith that either they will be resourceful in getting out, as they often are, or let the fire department know, because they're trained to go in a burning building. And if they are able to find the pet and get them out, they'll do that.
Now, you may be wondering, what about those stickers I've seen on the outside of homes, telling firefighters there could be pets still inside in the event of a fire? Well, the problem with those is that homeowners may put them up and then forget about them. Maybe they no longer have a pet, or they've moved and the new homeowners don't have a pet. The stickers could lead to firefighters unnecessarily looking for pets that aren't there. Plus, firefighters' number one priority will always be saving the lives of people. Now that we've gone over some of the ways to focus on pet fire safety in the home, what about when your pet is in daycare, boarded for the night, or at a healthcare facility? These facilities can be the site of devastating fires. Last year, for example, 75 dogs were killed when a fire broke out at a kennel in Texas. To help keep their animals safe, pet owners should consider asking the staff members or managers of these facilities questions about their emergency procedures. Are staff on site overnight? Does the facility have a monitored fire alarm system that will alert the fire department? Is the facility sprinklered? Has the facility completed a disaster or emergency management plan? How will the animals be evacuated in an emergency? Understanding these factors can help pet owners make the most informed choice when selecting a facility for their pets. Thanks for watching. If you like these Learn Something New videos, please let us know by leaving us a positive comment and telling your friends about them. As always, subscribe to NFPA's YouTube channel for more content like this.